In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download contacts data in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your Outlook contacts and related people information from the web version, with a clear understanding of what you're downloading and how to keep it secure. Let's begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is a simple way to get to the right place without memorizing URLs. In the search bar, type Outlook, then look for the official Microsoft Outlook result. It usually mentions Outlook on the web and points to the Outlook domain. Click that result to open Outlook in your browser. Once Outlook loads, you should be in your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account credentials so you can access your settings. Now, look to the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon. That opens the Settings pane, which is where we'll find the export options. Inside Settings, select General. This is the category that controls broad account and app behavior. Depending on your layout, the options may be grouped, so take a moment to make sure you're in the general area before moving on. Next, choose Privacy and Data. This section is specifically designed for managing the information Outlook stores about you and the people you interact with. It's also where Microsoft places tools for exporting or downloading data, so this is exactly where we need to be for a contacts-related download. Within Privacy and Data, locate the area labeled Suggested People. This refers to the people Outlook identifies based on your interactions, messages, and calendar events. It complements your saved contacts, giving you a more complete data set of the people you communicate with regularly. Now click Download My Expanded People Data. This triggers Outlook to prepare a package that includes your contacts and those suggested people details. Depending on the size of your mailbox and the amount of people data, the download may be available immediately, or Outlook may need a moment to assemble it. Keep the tab open and watch for the download to start in your browser. When the file finishes downloading, it often arrives as a compressed archive. Save it in a secure location and, if needed, extract it to view the contents. You can open CSV files in a spreadsheet app to review names, emails, and other fields, or keep the files for import into another service. Since this export can contain personal details, handle it carefully, avoid sharing it, and store backups in a protected folder. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded your expanded people data from Outlook.